Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. Therefore, it's high time that the policy planners of the country make plans to nurture the youth and their aspirations full stop in times of acute modernization and innovation quest of knowledge of each youth will prove to be an asset full stop. Education should prepare our youth for life full stop. Youth of India must be able to come up with new ideas of entrepreneurship, which is very vital for the country's growth full stop. Development of India should be their utmost priority full stop. The example of Tata Tea's Jagore advertisements showcasing a young student's fight against corruption, made him a inverted comma youth icon inverted comma of the country, where he makes the fellow youth aware of the reasons of corruption full stop. In the same way, films like Rang De Basanti revolutionized the thinking of youth of our country full stop. The power, youth can wield was recently on display during the general elections, when they played a crucial role in boosting the UPA's campaign alongside Rahul Gandhi full stop. During the riots against Mandal Commission in India, it was thousands of college students who agitated on the streets of the cities full stop. Paragraph change. Youth has underplayed itself in the field of politics full stop. They should become aspiring entrepreneurs, scientists, innovators, rather than mere workers full stop. They can play a vital role in elimination of terrorism. Full stop. Indian youth has never lagged behind when called upon to meet a challenge. Full stop. Being given a little dose of incentive, comma, encouragement and support, comma, they can make the great responsibility of fulfilling the targets, full stop. For this, comma, certain steps need to be taken which should be more than tools and programs, comma, it requires role models who inspire, full stop. In the absence of any real model, comma, youth feel lost and confused, full stop, stop.